Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about a really great laundry detergent that I have been using. It's called OxiClean HD White Revive. Now, basically what it is a laundry detergent that provides bleach-like whitening. OxiClean has been around for years. I remember the commercials with the guy saying OxiClean and the accent, and it always kind of stuck in my head after that. And my grandmother used to swear by OxiClean that nothing got her clothes cleaner. So for that reason, I always knew it was great and cleaned really well. So I didn't even know that they had made laundry detergent, like a specific laundry detergent for colors. So I was really pleased to know that. I just found it by luck and picked it up in my local grocery store, and I've been really happy with it ever since. So OxiClean Laundry Detergent HD White Revive provides high definition whitening. It removes dried on stains, restores whites, and reveals vibrant colors. So it's perfect for, I have a lot of food stains. I used to work in restaurants, oil stains just from cooking. I'm a mess. I always seem to get stuff on myself or get stains, so I always have the Tide pen on me, and then the OxiClean White Revive. So it's for all machines. It's an ocean breeze scent, and it's good for 20 loads of laundry. This is 40 ounces, 1.25 quarts, and 1.18 liters. Caution, just be careful because it's an eye irritant and it's harmful if swallowed. You can see the back, it says. So, it has color safe bleach-like whitening. Directions: use full cap for large or heavy soiled loads. Fill cap approximately to bar 3. 1.92 ounce for medium loads. For cold water settings, filled to 2/3 cap. And for best stain removal results, pre-treat by pouring OxiClean White Revive detergent directly onto tough stains and rub in. Wash immediately, and always test on inside seam for color fastness. Caution, keep out of reach of children. In case of eye contact, flush immediately with water. If swallowed, drink a glass of water. In either case, call a physician. If on skin, rinse thoroughly with water. Contains biodegradable surfactants, anionic and non-ionic, perfume, and enzymes. Based on medium loads when measured as directed. Questions, comments, there's the phone number where you could reach them. Copyright is 2013 Church and Dwight Company Incorporated in New Jersey, Ewing, New Jersey, and website is www.churchdwight.com. Contains no phosphates and it's recyclable. There's the barcode. Really easy to use. Tap just screws right off. So it's a yellow plastic top. Does it have the measurements in here? I'm really bad. I just usually eyeball it. I don't measure unless I'm doing a really big load like the directions say. Then yes, I fill it to the top and I use a full cap. So the liquid is it's a blue kind of thick or medium thickness liquid, and it does smell really good. It literally smells like the ocean. It smells delicious. So it makes your clothes smell good, but it doesn't make your clothes heavily perfumed or anything like that. I was just really pleased with the way, like I said, I always get oil stains on my clothes. My husband plays softball, he gets in the dirt, and the stains always come out because of this product. So I've been really happy with it. I've purchased it many times and I will continue to purchase it over and over again. So yeah, it's really great. So this was the OxiClean HD White Revive, but they do sell other products as well. If you are looking for something specifically for whites or whatever the case is, there are other options, just to let you know. But if you're looking for something that's going to be safe for both, I don't really like to use bleach because for some reason I end up getting the bleach on my clothes, on colored clothes, just from being in the laundry room. I don't know how this happens, but it just gets ruined. So that's why I just like to have a product that's good for whites as well as colors. So that was OxiClean HD White Revive. I hope you guys will try it out, and I hope you will love it. Thanks for watching the video.